When is the right time to move out to the country? Today, or should you wait? If living a self-sufficient country life is important to you, and hey, I assume it is, you want to jump in with both feet. If you are waiting until the time is right, it'll never happen. And all the roadblocks to self-sufficient country living, they're in your head. If you think you can do something or you think you can't do something, guess what? You're right. The time will never be right.
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
I hope you don't mind, but I got old dirty clothes on today. The weather's been crazy around here. So, when is the best time to plant a tree? The best time was 20 years ago, but guess what? The second best time is today. Home prices are sky high right now. So should you buy today or should you wait? When is the best time to buy a homestead? I jumped on one of those online real estate sites. I won't mention the name. The thing is, when I was looking at properties several years ago, I searched using two criteria: homes up to 150,000 and 10 acres or more of land. That's it. 150,000, 10 acres of land. I'd pick a state and search. Several years ago, there were hundreds of homes in each state. This morning, just a little bit ago, when I tried the exact same search, most states had no homes, like none. Even when I raised the limit to $200,000, there wasn't much. One of the states I looked at had 5 listings, that's it. So it's easy to think, hey, maybe the time isn't right and you should wait. We're talking about your life, and we only get so many trips around the sun on this rock. Your life, your home, your dreams are not a business transaction. It's your happiness. Prices go up and down. Mortgage interest rates go up and down. The way that I look at it, plant the tree today, because 20 years from now, is any of this really gonna matter? Do not listen to the Debbie Downers. You know, family and friends, they have a problem for every solution. Life's full of choices, and the only failure in life is no choice. People who succeed make their decisions quickly. Life's about attitude. Life's about perseverance. Life's about having some fun. Life is about doing and not just dreaming. You can't live your life in neutral. When life gets comfortable, it's easy to be doing nothing. The best thing you can do is make the right decision, of course. But guess what? The second best thing you can do is make the wrong decision. The worst thing that you can do, the absolute worst thing in the world that you can do, is nothing. Hey, the time's never gonna be right. How far are you willing to go? Are you willing to risk it all? Every action that you take is either moving you closer to or further from your goal of self-sufficient, simple country living. Go to the store and buy a calendar. Get a big old-fashioned calendar that you can write on. Hang it up where that you can see it. Pick a date less than 1 year from today and put a big red X on that day. This date is the day that you will be making the move to self-sufficient, simple country living. If you pick a date too far into the future, it's going to allow you to procrastinate. Yep. You'll make up excuses why the time isn't right for you. So pick a date approximately 1 year from today and stick with it. Now you've made that commitment, you've put it into writing, and you're not allowed to change the date. Nope. The time is now, like right now. As Mark Twain said, I am an old man and I have known a great many troubles. But hey, guess what? Most of them never happened. He didn't say the guess what part. Start today. Start moving toward your self-sufficient, simple life, country living. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. Get that calendar, make your big red X, and start today. Make sure that every choice, every decision is moving you closer to you living your dream. Passion and perseverance are all that you need to get started. The timing is never gonna be right. It's all about wanting to do it bad enough. Figure out a way to make it work. Make the time right. But Rob, I have responsibilities like a job and a house and kids and elderly parents. And it's like you said, 5 years ago, plenty of property choices, and today, not so much. I can't afford anything now. I need more time. It's easy to think that you have good excuses. Can you go back 5 years and buy the property of your dreams? Nope. What's going to happen after you make 5 more trips around the sun on this rock? What's gonna be different in 5 more years? Nothing. We did it. And I'm nothing gifted, special type of person. I got no special talents. We made the commitment and we stuck to it. Yep. The last few weeks before we moved, boy, they were crazy busy, let me tell you. But we never strayed from the goal to do it, to go. On our Big Red X day, we pulled out of the driveway with our trailer loaded to the top with all of our belongings. The timing is never right. You're never, ever gonna be completely ready. You must make the commitment to your goal of self-sufficient, simple country living and stick to it. You can do this. When is the right time to move out to the country? The time to go is now. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Freedom!